May ikan ni katupya. Paibong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me. Maya li cukup angel sya.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka BJP Meghalaya Pradesh hakakan ritrik yayong arjar penriu kelaai ke Ïaroh yak Sorkar Pdeng kabla Wanrah ya Women's Reservation Bill ha Parliament kaban salong an kaban mangkerpang ke bah juki kentai haki ying derbar thawan lakalong ha Parliament ha Assembly ne haki District Council hak jingkaran mikilat petai kubor UMLA ke BJP ba Alexander L. Heck ulaong bakumba kalong menta kampadan setia ka bah kerpang banmang iki kentai lakalong ha Assembly lane wat hagi District Council nra yakane la dan kam ban Wanrah daka an khnang baki kentai ru kin yolat bani sim matalang hagi ying dorbar.
So that one we have not discussed. This one we have to call all the you can tell about this.
How many seats in Meghalaya is going to get?
That is still in an infant stage.
Yeah.
So once the centre comes out with definite proposals, then only we can also put on our heads about
No, it's like this, because there's been a lot of objection from various opposition parties not against this delimitation, and especially linking that with the reservation for women. And there's a lot of concerns raised, especially by the southern states, where they say that their numbers will come down. So now the new proposal that has come up from the central government is that all states, there will be a 50% increase in the number of seats. So take for example like Meghalaya, if it's 50%, that means we will get 3 seats after the act has been passed. Of course, that the act is yet to be passed, so that is the proposal which has been sent by the central government. So let's see now whether it gets passed or not in Parliament. Women reservation, it's high time. It has been lying dormant for a long time. Previous governments in the past have not done anything. It is only now when the BJP has come to power, they have actually put the things in motion. But of course now there are a lot of reservations and a lot of objections now, so that's why things have to be deliberated upon in the coming session, the special session that they have to convene. It's just that because of the population growth. So
since you are asking about that women reservation policy is, so Meghalaya we have 60 seats. If you see that Jante Hill we have 7 seats. So we have to go district wise. Means like the Khasi Jaintia is the 7 seats, 33% should be reserved for the women. Like we have 29 seats in the Khasi Hills, that 33% has to be reserved for the women, and also likewise in the Garhwal district.